Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. The question is already posted on the board, so it seems to be a numerical, so let's go for it. So we have to find the current drawn from the battery in the given circuit. So we are given 5 resistances R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, and they are arranged in a configuration and then connected via battery 4 volts. So we have to find out the current drawn from the battery. So generally this configuration is used in Wheatstone bridge. So let's check if this principle can be applied here or not. So here we have to find the ratio of R1 upon R4 and the ratio of R2 upon R5 upon R3. So if these ratios are equal, then the principle of Wheatstone bridge can be applied. So the value of R1 upon R4 is 1 by 2 as given in this circuit, and R5 upon R3 is 2 by 4. Cancelling them, we're going to get our value as 1 by 2. That means the 4 resistances are arranged in the form of Wheatstone bridge. So now we can apply the concept here, and we're going to neglect our 2 and redraw our circuit as so now what will happen is that the resistance R1 and R5 will be connected in series, and R4 and R3 are connected in parallel, and then they are applied across the voltage of 4 volts. So now as R1 and R5 are connected in series, therefore their equivalent resistant R dash is equal to R1 plus R5, which is equal to 1 plus 2 ohm, which is equal to 3 ohm. Similarly, R4 and R3 are connected in series. Therefore, let's take their equivalent as R double dash, which is equal to R4 plus R3. So, it comes to 2 plus 4, which is 6 ohm. So now R dash and R double dash are connected in parallel. So we can say that 1 by R, that is the equivalent of circuit of this entire circuit, is equal to R dash plus R double dash. So it is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. That means 1 by R can be written as, taken 6 as LCM, plus 2, that is 3 by 6. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2, which implies the value of R is equal to 2 ohm. Now we have to find the current drawn from the battery. So we are going to apply Ohm's law. So V is equal to Ri. V is 4 volts, R is 2 ohm, and I, which implies I is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 amperes. So that's the value of the current drawn from the battery. So thank you so much for your time. Have a really great day. Bye bye.